Hello, happy holidays to everyone. Look at this outstanding shaping. Bodysuit, jumpsuit, shapewear, amazing fit. It conforms to your body. It's breathable. Take a look. The arms fit just right. It holds you in. The tummy control is amazing. It snatches you. You feel comfortable, not at all confined. The butt lift, it's just right. It's just right. Amazing. I am in love. This feels like part of you, part of your body. When you move, it moves. Yes. Comfortable for all day wear. Look at this shapewear. I am totally in love. I enjoy working out in this body wear.